Hello, and welcome to the Georgia Department of Education's Tiny URL series for World History. I'm Chastity Manning, your World History Virtual Specialist, and today we're going to look at how to help students build Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary. Specifically, we're looking at content from Unit 3, Standard 3, but you can use this strategy with any of our units. I use this as an opening activity to make sure the students are familiar with the vocabulary that's going to be presented in the work session. But it's totally up to you how you use it. It could easily be a closing. It could even be a work session. We're using engaging vocabulary review with the three-way match system. First, the students are going to identify, first you need to identify the term you want the students to define and illustrate. Students will make 3 columns on their paper, Google Doc, or other electronic platform. So it depends if you want them to be unplugged or plugged. I use it both ways, depending on how difficult I think the pictures would be to draw, how much time I have to devote to it in the lesson, because when they draw, they take a little bit longer. But I really like to make them draw because it reinforces the content. We're going to look at Standard 3. Students will write the word on the left side. In the middle, they'll write the definition, and then they'll draw a picture on the right side. Of course, if you're using the plugged version, they can, do an image search and put it in. Either way, I think it really reinforces them understanding either Tier 2, you can use this with vocabulary, or Tier 3 for your content. So for Standard 3, I would say aristocracy. And then then the kids would put the highest class and they, find an image search. This is, we're looking at Greece and Rome in Standard 3. For democracy, a system of government by the whole population or all eligible members of a state, typically through elected representatives. And I like to have them look for pictures directly related to our content if we're doing the plugged version. Tyranny, an oppressive government which does not allow the people to have any say in their decisions. This is just a great strategy to help them build Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary. As always, just follow us on the Georgia Department of Education World History community or on our Facebook group, Georgia World History Teachers. Have a wonderful day.